You are watching Local SEO Ranking Services video by Tom Melton, weekly episodes to help you understand what it takes to promote your business online and have success doing so. Enjoy today's show. Win back website visitors. Retargeting 101 for local business. Are you losing website visitors or local traffic? If you have started noticing a decline in your overall web stats, traffic, and sales, you might need to change your online marketing strategy. Running a local business, you still need to pay attention to your web traffic. However, it is difficult to rely solely on foot traffic and print advertising in this modern age. One option that could help you gain back some of your lost traffic is retargeting for local businesses. Retargeting is a type of online advertising that will ensure your past visitors are regularly reminded, via online advertising, to visit your website or order a new product or service. Of course, as a small business owner, you do not want to spend a fortune on internet advertising. However, retargeting can help you win back your website visitors and attract more local businesses. How retargeting works. When you use retargeting, you are trying to get local visitors to come back and buy products or services that they have already looked at. This can help you cut down on your bounce rate while increasing the number of repeat visitors you have. Best of all, it does not cost a lot. Retargeting is often much more cost-effective than other forms of marketing and advertising. Retargeting follows these steps. 1. A consumer visits your website. 2. They browse your products or services. 3. They leave your website without making a purchase. 4. These visitors are retargeted with ads on external sources. 5. These visitors are then more likely to make a purchase. By keeping track of the visitors that browsed a particular product or service, but did not make a purchase, your targeted advertisements will reach them as they visit other websites or even social media platforms. Seeing your advertisement will remind them about the product or service, increasing the chance of the consumer visiting your website and finally completing their order. Why retargeting works? Retargeting is based on the idea that visitors to a website may not always purchase the first time they view a product or service. Many consumers decide to thoroughly research an item before making a purchase. They may visit your store in person, not make a purchase, and then go home and begin their research. This can take days, and if they are not reminded, there is always a chance that they will forget about the product or service. With local retargeting, you are drawing these visitors back in. The focus here is repetition. You are repeating information so that it will stick. This is the same concept behind using billboards and advertisements in the local paper. People will see your ad and remember taking a look at your products or services. Retargeting methods. There are a few retargeting methods that are commonly used to get local traffic back to your website. This includes remarketing via online ads, search engine retargeting, CRM retargeting, and email retargeting. Each type of retargeting is performed differently, but with hopes of obtaining the same kinds of results: repeat customers. Local remarketing. Remarketing is the term for retargeting performed using online advertisements based on products or services that visitors have previously viewed. A few lines of code are included on your web pages. When a visitor views one of these pages, their web browser stores a cookie that your advertising network uses to remarket ads. When one of your previous visitors stops by a website that features advertisements from the ad network you use, they are more likely to see ads featuring the product or service they had previously viewed. If you choose to use local remarketing, you will want to hone in on people located in your area. Therefore, the remarketing software you use should allow you to ignore IP addresses that are located in other regions. Search engine retargeting. Search engine retargeting works in a very similar manner. When an internet user performs a search, the search engine stores a cookie with that search term. Ad networks use this to deliver retarget advertising. To make the most effective use of search engine retargeting for your local business, limit your efforts to search engine users located in your city or region. CRM retargeting. CRM retargeting is used with an email list that you have already generated through your leads or email sign-up list. Using CRM retargeting software, the targeted email users are located and then delivered your advertisements while they visit other websites. Email targeting. Email retargeting works by placing code inside your emails. You can then target the people who have signed up to your email lists and show them advertisements. To increase local engagement, have visitors include their zip code when opting into your email list or newsletter. Finding the top local retargeting resources. When choosing a type of retargeting, consider using multiple methods. For example, combining search engine marketing, remarketing, CRM retargeting, and email retargeting can have a much more significant impact on your overall website traffic. However, these methods will require software or subscription to deliver ads or emails to website visitors. For remarketing, CRM retargeting, and search engine marketing, you will need to find an ad delivery network. You want a company that offers a fair price on clicks and can work with retargeting strategies. There are many ad delivery networks to choose from, with Yahoo being the largest company to offer ad delivery solutions. To get started with Yahoo retargeting, consider contacting a company that specializes in Yahoo advertising and retargeting. Recently, the Yellow Pages, or now YP, has begun offering retargeting options for local businesses. If you have not already done so, you should make sure that you have updated your listing on the YP website. Google AdWords, one of the most popular pay-per-click options, has also included retargeting options when you set up a campaign. Look at this helpful tutorial from Google on setting up retargeting lists with your Google AdWords campaign. Compare each of the ad delivery networks you visit, comparing prices, features, and retargeting options. Also, look at customer reviews and other information. With an ad delivery network, you will often end up paying per click, though this is typically less expensive than traditional pay-per-click advertising. For email marketing, software is needed to manage your contact list and place the necessary tracking code inside your emails. When you search for email marketing software, always check the available features and ensure that you have the option to sort your contacts based on their location. Best tips for retargeting for local business. Now that you have a good understanding of how retargeting works and what it is used for, take a look at the following tips. These suggestions will help you make better use of your local retargeting efforts. 1. When you are focused on retargeting for local businesses, you will likely want to target people who search for businesses in your area. Use search engine retargeting to reach more people locally. 2. Include promotional offers, digital coupons, or discounts in your advertisements to give visitors an extra incentive to make a purchase. 3. Make sure that you check your ad delivery network settings and focus on your local region. Do not waste clicks on people that live outside of your area. 4. Divide your target audience into segments. Grouping your audience into segments will make it easier to gear your advertisements towards specific demographics. 5. Use multiple online marketing strategies. You should not rely only on retargeting to draw visitors to your website. Instead, use a diverse selection of online marketing techniques, including blogging, social media strategies, targeted emails, press releases, and more. When you are able to understand the individual needs of your consumers, you can come up with a better method of getting them to come back and make a purchase. Using local retargeting is just one option, and it is incredibly effective. So, start increasing your sales and bring back website visitors. Learn more about this process and set up your targeted solutions. Want to learn more about how retargeting can benefit your business? Contact us today for a no-obligation consultation. Visit our website and give us a call today.